Hey yo! It's Chriso. I'm about to start grouting this wall now. I'm doing it in slate grey because I want the tiles to pop, not the grout. So being slate grey, it will be sort of camouflaged with a bit of luck. It won't be, the grout won't be standing out. So I'll get into this, then I'll knock out all my clips, start on the white grout. I can't do that wall because the owner has more tiles on order, because they were originally going to go halfway up, I think, but then they decided to go all the way up. So yeah, they're coming about Friday, but I can't hang around. I've got another bathroom to do, so I come back and do that toilet. The back wall gets done with that same subway tile, then it's just the floor, but it's going to have a racing stripe like that. Everyone to their own, like whoa. So we'll get started. I get these buckets, I buy these buckets from the hardware. They're $1 each, and I go through them like water for grout and that sort of thing. I never wash out my buckets or anything like that. I use a fresh bucket all the time for $1. Hey, use it, biff it. They can't, they're too thin and that sort of thing to be able to save them anyway and wash them out. They break. So they're sort of a one-time bucket. But I love them. You just chuck them out. They're a throwaway, like everything else is becoming throwaway. I don't even buy brushes and that from grinders now. I just throw it out, get a new grinder, buy another one, buy a new one. They don't get, nothing gets repaired now. Anyway, this is the modern age. So I'll go through a fair bit of grout, I'd say, but I still mix it. I've got a mixer in the van, a small paddle for grout, but do I use it? No. It's brand new, haven't used it yet. Because a lot of my tiling is 6x3 1.5 or 6x6 1.5 or 12x600 1.5. I don't go through major amounts of grout. I buy it as I need it. Let's start at the top. Yeah, that'll be cool. That will blend in nicely. Let's get something to stand on. Chriso, where are your steps? You full? Yeah, they are actually in the van. I might mix this up just a little bit runnier. So I have more of a spread. So throw in a little bit more water, mate. feels better. That feels better. I'll be, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I like it. I won't be grouting the whole wall and then wipe it off. Nah. Wipe it off as you go. Get in there. All the time now I'm watching for holes. The owners took the wax off these tiles, thank God. I'm glad I didn't. That was a bit of a pain. I may not need to grout stick these grout lines. They just might wipe off with it being sort of shiny-ish. Shiny-ish. Well, they might wipe off well. So the key to this is you want to be able to wipe it like how I'm doing it. So your grout, you don't want it too stiff. And we'll get through this. When your arm gets a bit tired, swap, go to the left. Fill your holes. Okay, so I'll go across at that height. People are sending in nice comments and I appreciate that. It's a real joy getting nice comments. You know, I wake up in the morning and I read my comments and it makes my day because hey, I'm appreciated. It's beautiful. Thank you very much, I'd like to say.